everyone, welcome to IFS Markets. I am Laura. Today is the 15th of June, and this is a continuation of after the fundamental video that I made just now. So make sure that you watch that. So now I have a market analysis of Trading Central. I have already put in pound USD, and now let's look at the technical analysis. So the Trading Central's professional are saying that intraday bullish bias above the pivot point of 1.4090 with the first profit of 1.4125 and 1.4145. Now, let's look at the chart. First of all, you have to pay attention that this is a 30-minute chart. The current price is around the 20 days and 50 days moving average. However, it's above the pivot point of 1.4090. Going down to see the RSI, we can see the RSI has a mixed signal. It's very close to the 9 days moving average and in the neutral area of 50. Now, in the comment section, they're saying the RSI is mixed to bullish. Going down, there's a series of supports and resistances. As I said, make sure that you have also checked the fundamental analysis, which there are a data release of claimant count change for May, which will be released at 4 p.m. in Sydney time. It is very important for you to know what's going on there, especially if we're trading pound today. Hope you have a happy trading day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.